Alright, welcome to Mr. Nelson's YouTube video for tonight. What we looked at today in class was equivalent circles and fences. Everybody but my 7th and 8th period got to do the circles. So if you were in my 7th and 8th period, you might not understand the circle part, but that's okay. So here we go. First, we're looking at equal circles, equal fences, fraction fences, and equal tens block. Okay, so in each of these, there is one hole. Well, in the case of a circle, it's the entire circle. In the case of the fraction bar, it's that first one on top. Okay? In the case of the tens bars, it's the entire thing, the entire rectangle. Alright, so if you look at the circle, clearly half of the circle is kind of colored with black, right? Half of the circle's colored in black. Well, if you look at the rectangle tens box, you can see that 5 out of the 10 are highlighted yellow. Alright, and if you look down at the fraction bars, you can see that there's that hole on top, and then 2 halves make one whole. Each of these are equal or equivalent forms of the same thing. 1 half. Alright, next we're going to look at equivalent forms of 1 half in fractions, decimals, and percents. Okay, we've been working with converting from fraction to decimal, decimal to percent, percent to decimal, all the different ways we convert a number. Okay, well, we need to also know that these numbers are equivalent or equal. So we need to know that 1 half is equal to 0.5, and 0.5 or 5/10 is equal to 50%. And we went over how to convert these in class last week, and we reviewed it today. Okay? Next is shout out. Alright, shout out to, in my 7th and 8th period, I want to shout out to Natasha. Alright, so she was working really hard today. She was really focused, and I appreciate the work that she's been doing today. I'm loving it. In my 5-6 block, I really appreciated today. I thought that Miss Kayla was doing a great job. I appreciate the fact that she's working and she's doing the best that she can with what she has. And the very last person I would like to shout out to is from my 1st and 2nd period. Is to Jonathan. Saw him doing some good work in class and even came in during lunch to go over and make sure that he knew how to do this stuff. He was being vigilant and working hard for me. Thank you, Jonathan, and all those that I shout out to. If you watch this video and you want to tell me that you watched it, don't forget to do those 3 questions at the bottom of that orange sheet and do a picture, a tens block picture for that very first one. Okay? If you want to show me that you did this video, please, you will get extra credit on your homework if you watched it. Don't tell anybody who didn't watch it what to do, but you will get extra credit if you, on the back of your orange sheet, I want you to draw the best impersonation or the best picture that you can of Mr. Nelson. Do the best picture you can of me on the back of your orange homework. Alright, see you tomorrow.